Ever wonder what actually happens when you hit enter on a SQL query in a warehouse? Let's break down the secret life of a SQL query when you hit enter in any warehouse. First, your SQL query goes into a parser. It checks for syntax and semantics. It turns your code into AST, abstract syntax tree, a structured version that system can understand. Think of it like a grammar check, but here for SQL. So step one was the query parser, but the step two is, think about it, it's the optimizer. Optimizer is like the brain of the warehouse. It rewrites your query for its speed. And then it decides, should I scan the whole table? Should I use indexes? Should I join table A to B or table B to A? To avoid scanning unnecessary data, it also checks for metadata and state. This happens in Snowflake and BigQuery. Now come the third part, query planner and executor. Now the system builds a execution plan. Basically, it's like a roadmap. It breaks your query into tasks and distribute it across compute cluster and nodes. So if you use Snowflake, in Snowflake, it's virtual warehouses and it's Dremel engine on slot if you are using BigQuery. This is real parallel processing going on. Now here come the step 4, data planning and filtering. Only the necessary columns and partitions are scanned. You want faster query and lesser cost. Here come the columnar storage and pruning. This is why select star is dangerous. You are paying for what you scan. Now come the step 5, aggregation and output. Your filter data flow through aggregator, joins, sorters, and functions. Everything get combined and finalized into a result set and sent back to you as an output. So next time when you hit enter, you know that it's not just running a query, but in picture it triggering a distributed computing system, which has its own cost, right? Optimize wisely, your client wallet will thank you.